I just slid all the way down that. Damn, they got a nice backyard. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We are back on the KX250 today, and today I'm going to be going over the 3 things that I love about this bike. I got this bike at the 50-hour mark, and it's currently sitting at 60 exactly right now, so put about 10 hours on the bike total so far. So I got a good idea of what I like about the bike so far and what I don't like about the bike. In this video, I'm going to be talking about specifically what I like, and then in a different video in the future, I'll be talking about the things that I don't like. But without further ado, I'm going to hop on the bike and then we will hit this little trail over here. I've never been to this spot. I saw it when I was driving along this road over here. So I'm going to see if it's like a decent spot for me to ride on. So let's rip down here. Oh, actually, I think it's like right up here. Oh God, lots of trees. Oh, this is going to hurt. Ow. I just slid all the way down that. I did not realize that was a steep hill coming down here. I bet the video doesn't do it justice of how big the hill is coming down. And I still haven't put the back tire on, so I just completely slid out into the water. Yeah, I don't want to fly in there again. Oh my gosh, is this a creek? Jesus. Made it over. I hope there's not another one of those. Yeah, this is not an ideal trail. Woo. Let's go through this bridge real quick. Please be no one. Should be okay. Good? Yeah. Alright, so let's get into the 3 reasons why I love the KX250F. So the first reason is how comfortable it is. Like, this bike is definitely the most thin out of the 250 4-strokes. And since it's so thin, it just feels so easy to maneuver. Like in tight corners, you know, in tight spaces, it feels just so much more easier to control than most of the 250 bikes. This thing just fucking rips. Oh, please don't kill me. So now let's talk about the second reason. The second reason why I love this bike is the price. There is tons of nice backyards right here. 3 pools in a row. Damn, that must be nice. Let's hit it this way. So yeah guys, like I was saying though, this bike, you could find actually crazy deals on Facebook, and you can get them at the dealers for pretty good deals as well. I want to say like a brand new 2024 KX250F would probably be right around like 8 or 9K, whereas like the Hondas and the Yamahas are always like 12K. So now let's talk about the third reason why I love this bike, and it has to be the top end power. The power on this bike feels like it just like never wants to let up. It just rips. It just doesn't stop. It keeps going. Oh, they just pull out right in front of me. See guys, that's the reason why I would never have a street bike right there, just because no one ever sees you. People just pull out right in front of you, and I'm trying to live, you know, for at least a few more years. So guys, there's also a few other things that I want to talk to you guys about. So guys, I just got a new SD card for the GoPro, which should last a lot longer than the one I have currently, because the one I have right now is like, it only lasts for like an hour and then it's dead. So the only other thing that I'm going to need is an Enduro battery, which those I think last for like an hour longer or something than the normal ones do. Is that a taxi? You never see taxis out here. That is so weird. He looks lost too. What's he doing? Sheesh, that is fast as hell. Would Kodak say, then skirt, skirt, skirt. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, I am on the road to 10K subscribers. I want to hit that in 2024. So thank you guys for all the support on my videos recently. That's been helping me trying to reach that goal. It's busting on the street right now. Everyone's outside. God damn. I'm super excited for the content that I have upcoming very soon. I got a lot of things planned. I got a lot of them written in my notes so I don't forget them, just because I have so many different ideas that I want to eventually post for you guys. What is going on right here? If you guys remember the skate park video on the YZ, that skate park is right here. Looks like there's a bunch of soccer games and stuff going down right now, so I definitely am not gonna go over there. But I'm gonna have to bring the KX250 to that skate park and jump some ramps with that. Last video I brought up, do you guys want me to start doing that flipping series where I pick up some used bikes on Facebook? And I think I may have found the first bike that, is this a cop right here? No. I may have found the first bike though that I can use for the first video in the series. It is a KX125. I believe it is a 94 or a 95. I'll pop a picture on the screen right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna make my way back to the house now. It is about to rain very soon and it's starting to get really cold, so I'm gonna make my way back to the house. I do got a ton of content planned for you guys, so if you're new to the channel, please drop a sub. It helps me out a ton. But until next time guys, peace out.